Hello everyone, today I am teaching you the 4 nail art designs. And number one is Shining Star with a rich chocolate brown base and acrylic stars. This set is the perfect way to get nails ready for fall. All you need is some brown tones like those in olive and John's pumpkin spice latte. Set a good layer nail art brush or acrylic pen to paint on the stars. Just be sure to use a top coat seal. Seal it off, says Los Angeles based manicurist Hang Neon at Nailing Hollywood. Let's move to number 2, mix and match. We love a mix and match nail look, and this one done in black and white is a great example of how different designs can go well together. This black and white with negative space gives a more gender neutral look, says Neon. Think art with bit of a pop culture feel. Use the shade Texto Mask and Paper Snow from Lights, Lacquer, or any black or white nail polish you may have on hand, and a liner brush to achieve this look. Let's move to number third, gold accents. We love a metallic accent, especially when it's in gold. Use a thin striping brush to paint a mix of a dainty and slightly thicker gold lines on each nail to contrast with the main color of a design, says LA manicurist Cuny Neon. Move to number next, tortoise shell with color. Evaluate the classic tortoise design with a bold contrasting color, whether it's a bright red or neon green. This is traditional element is sure to make a statement, and this traditional element is sure to make a statement. Thank you very much.